Hi, Miss Charlie Labis. Can you tell me about yourself, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. First, I introduce myself. I am Charlie C. Labis. Um, I came from Son for Himaya, El Salvador City, and I have four children. I have three, three daughter and one son. And I am married for 20 years.
Alright, so can you tell me your age, ma'am?
Uh, about my age, I am 41 years old.
Alright, so do you have siblings?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many siblings do you have, ma'am?
4.
Right, and what is your order in the family, ma'am?
I have a second.
Okay, so can you tell me about your educational background?
I am my educational background, ma'am. I'm graduated for Cogo National High School in high school grade.
Alright, so can you tell me the reason, ma'am, why you aren't able to finish your college?
Because no money to study for
College, okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you tell me the country, ma'am?
I came from the country of Saudi Arabia and Riyadh for for 5 months. I'm going home in their Philippines
Alright, so can you tell me, ma'am, why aren't you able to finish your contract in Saudi?
because me and my employer is not misunderstanding. Have a misunderstanding
Okay, so can you tell me your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper there in Saudi?
about my work, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm work for his house is to care his 3 kids, one, 3, 4, 5, and to clean her house, to wash her clothes, and any kind for in his house, but
Okay.
no pets.
Alright, so no pets.
Okay. Yes.
So how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
Describe what, ma'am?
Yourself.
Myself about
So can you please describe yourself?
in um about myself, mom. I'm caring, honest, and friendly, and, and that's all.
Alright. Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, mom.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No. I have cesarean. Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me the year, ma'am?
Um, almost 8 years.
Okay,
Kasi
so
is
8 years have passed.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
Because the so many reason. First, money, and because I have 4 children to studying, and some have many financial.
Okay. So are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
How about big dogs, ma'am?
no, because I have a big dog.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
No idea, but I think uh, I I calm down, and I want to say the to care na like how to care all my 4 kids, that she or he came down to about his actually um, his self.
Alright. So what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
um, thank you for your question, ma'am. I message my employer, uh, sir, mom, if you give me a chance to 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 uh, uh, to become one of your domestic helpers or mom. I promise that I'm hardworking in your house, and if you have kids, I promise I will take her and I love her as my daughter. If you have a grandma in your house, I I promise then I care him also.
Alright.
And if you have a pet in your house, I promise also that I care them to in your house.
Alright. Is that all, ma'am?
Yes, and if you have any roles, I will follow in your roles in your house.
Alright. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.